Hello, here are a few quick tips for document collaboration in the communities at my.minbar.org. A lot of groups at the Bar Association meet regularly to update forms, documents, and other member resources. One benefit of using the communities for this purpose is that a great deal of work can be done ahead of an in-person meeting and at your convenience, so that when you do gather for that live meeting, it can be dedicated to those purposes best suited for a live event. Things like brainstorming, reconnecting with your colleagues, or taking a live vote where that might be required. So here's what collaborating on documents at my.minbar.org might look like. Here I am in the test community for staff. All communities sections included have this library tab. When you click on it, you'll be able to see the resources that are available for your review. Here you can upload PowerPoint presentations, video, Word documents, just about any file type. You can also create a hyperlink entry. These are great for starter projects. For example, you can link to a shared Google Doc where everyone has editorial rights. Now that may seem like a free-for-all, but that may be what you need to get a new project kick-started. You also have a great deal of flexibility in how you describe the resources and the expectations for how your members should interact with the document here in the document description, where you can add in video, images, in addition to text that just outlines your procedure. And of course, most shareable document resources do allow you to roll back to a prior version if that's what you need to do. Folks can comment on documents right within the shared document, or you might summarize your thoughts in a discussion post. You can also add a comment to the document landing page in the space below. And once your team has a version it likes, you might save the sample document to Word for a more formal review and upload it in a new document landing page. Here I've uploaded our sample document, and once we've saved it in this fashion, probably the most appropriate place to make a comment might be in the discussion forum or in the comments below. You'll also notice that this document has two versions indicated here by the small gray button. When you click on that, you can see there are two versions. All you need to do to make this happen is just upload a file with the same file name, and the system will automatically recognize that as a new version of your document. So very easy version control at my.minbar. Alternatively, you can also just relabel the document as a subsequent version. A lot of communities do it this way to make a prior version more accessible. Here you can see the little multi-paper icon here next to this entry, just indicating that there are multiple resources in this landing page. The point is here that there are a lot of great ways to collaborate on documents at my.minbar.org. Let us know how we can help you, and be creative. Reach out when you need to.